Shwmae, Geraint Wilson Price dwi, Director of the Gwent Welsh for Adults Centre in Pontypool. Croeso i'r course Sylfaen. A warm welcome to your Sylfaen course. First things, don't panic, and a warm welcome back. This course will build on your Mynediad course, and of course it is very similar to that course. To do the course, you will need the Sylfaen course book, and as you will know with Mynediad, the first year will do units 1 to 15, and the second year will do units 15 to 30. Roughly we do 1 unit every fortnight. And every 5th unit, as you'll remember, is a revision unit. 3 of the first 5 units are revision units, going over the work you did during Mynediad, so there is plenty of revision. Full details of the course content are on the contents page in the book. Cofiwch siarad Cymraeg. You do need to try to speak Welsh as much as possible in class and of course out of class. You can use beth yw and Gymraeg to get the words you need in Welsh, and beth yw and Saesneg to ask what things mean in English. You also need the Cwrs Sylfaen Pecyn Ymarfer, the practice pack, just as you did with the course Mynediad. You will know that gwaith catre, homework, works, and you will be given feedback by your tutor every week on the work you do. So just know that you do need to do your homework every week. Also, there are CDs available where you can listen to them anytime, anywhere. Remember, the more Cymraeg, Welsh you do, the more Cymraeg you will remember. Also, if you've got a smartphone, there is a lot of material available for you to use online as well as using a computer. Also on the Bont, there are many video presentations which will help you revise and go over all the patterns that you were learning previously on the course Mynediad and also on the Sylfaen course. There will be drills, of course. These are repetitions of Welsh sentences, the basic grammar building blocks, which will you do in class before moving on to the activities. These will help you put the Welsh language together. They do include some grammar points, but please do not worry, we don't make a big thing about learning grammar. Well, what could possibly go wrong? Well, firstly, if you don't come to the Welsh lessons, you won't learn Welsh. Some of you may have had a hard time in yr ysgol, school. Peidiwch â phoeni, don't worry. We will not be telling you to be quiet. Some of you may have reading, writing or other educational problems. Please don't worry about that. Your tutor can help you if you ask for support. Some of you may have some physical problems, getting around the classroom, getting to the building. Once again, ask your tutor for help. He or her will easily help you. There are some matters that will help you settle into your course. Your tutor will show you where to go and what to do should there be a fire or other emergency. Do you know where the fire exit is? Where does everyone meet up afterwards? Is there a first aid kit at reception? We want to keep you safe and sound. Your tutor will also be able to confirm the dates of the courses. Oes gwyliau? Will there be a half-term break? When does the term end? Do you get amser coffee? Ble mae'r tŷ bach? Do you know where the tŷ bach is? Remember, if there's anything else we can do to help you settle in or feel safe in your learning environment, please ask your tutor. Remember, this is your course. We hope that one of you in your class will take on the role of class representative to listen to the opinions of all learners in the class and feed them back to myself and my team yn y ganolfan. There may well be questionnaires and possibly even an annual meeting with a very exciting buffet as a reward for your efforts. You never know. Observers will call in to see how things are going, and some will ask for you for your opinion as well as speaking to your tutor. Try out your Cymraeg on them. They will be very pleased to hear you speaking Welsh. There is an exam available at the end of the second year. Not a school exam, but a special adults exam and a chance for you to prove to yourself how much you have learned. If you are in your second year, you should do the exam. Similar to the Mynediad exam, and as you know, your Welsh will really improve much better when you know you've got an exam coming. You're the ones who've got to do the work, bob dydd, every day, and you will get out of it what you put in. We will ask you to set and review targedau each term. We do hope you will hit your own personal targets and see yourself getting better each term. You may be learning for all kinds of reasons. Your Sylfaen course book includes additional material at the back to help if you are learning for family or work reasons. You should also try and keep your own diary of successes in your learning plan and note the time you get to visit informal learning sessions, your extra chances to speak Welsh outside the classroom, things such as coffee mornings or a one-day school or a weekend call. Towards the end of your course, your tutor will let you know what is happening the following year, so you know exactly what you will be doing then. Remember, there is so much to gain from learning Welsh, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Now, that's enough from me. It's about time you got on with siarad Cymraeg, so over to your tutor, unwaith eto. But remember, if you want to get in touch with the Ganolfan, the centre, yn Gymraeg neu yn Saesneg, our contact details are displayed here for you. Please feel free to contact a Ganolfan at any time should you have any concerns. We at Ganolfan Cymraeg Oedolion Gwent take pride in the fact that we live our motto, namely, our learners are at the centre of everything we do. Your tutor will also give you a point of contact as well, in case you need to contact him or her in any emergency. Pob lwc a hwyl fawr.